Let me ask you a dangerous question. What if you've been investing, but in the wrong order? Not the wrong assets, not the wrong app, but the wrong sequence. Because investing isn't about what you invest in first. It's about what you secure first. And if you skip steps, even good investments can quietly destroy your financial future. In this video, I'll give you a simple, step-by-step framework that tells you exactly where each dollar should go from your first paycheck, all the way to serious wealth. No hype, no stock tips, just the correct order. Let's start with the biggest mistake people make. Most people invest emotionally. They hear things like, stocks beat inflation, real estate makes millionaires, or crypto changed my life. So they jump straight to the exciting part. But imagine building a house. You don't start with the roof. You don't install the windows first. You start with the foundation. Money works the same way. If you invest before stabilizing your cash flow, before protecting yourself from emergencies, before eliminating toxic debt, then every market dip feels like panic. Every bill feels like stress. And every investment becomes a gamble. So here's the rule. Every dollar has a job, and the job changes as you level up. Let's go in order. Before investing anywhere, you need one thing: liquidity, not returns, not growth, not compounding. Liquidity. This is your emergency fund. Think of it as financial oxygen, because without it, one medical bill forces you to sell investments, one job loss turns investing into debt, and one crisis wipes out years of progress. The goal here is simple: 3 to 6 months of essential expenses kept somewhere boring and safe, not invested, not speculated, not optimized. This money is not trying to grow, it's trying to protect your future self. If you skip this step, every investment you make is fragile. Once this is done, you unlock step 2. This is the least exciting step and the most powerful. High interest debt is a negative investment. If your credit card charges 18% interest, that's a guaranteed negative 18% return. No stock, no fund, no crypto strategy can reliably beat that. So the rule is simple: eliminate all high interest debt first. Credit cards, personal loans, payday loans, anything above roughly 8 to 10%, this step does two things. First, it gives you a guaranteed return. Second, it frees up future cash flow. Once toxic debt is gone, your money finally starts working for you instead of against you. Now we can invest with confidence. If your employer offers any kind of match, that's not investing. That's picking up money off the floor. If you don't take it, you're choosing a 0% return over a 100% return. So before you invest anywhere else, contribute enough to get the full match. No more, no less. For now. This step is about efficiency, not optimization. Once you've captured free money, we move to the engine of long-term wealth. This is where real wealth is built. Not through genius, not through timing, through consistency. At this stage, your goal is simple: invest regularly in broad, diversified assets with minimal fees for the long term. No stock picking required, no market predictions needed. This is the phase where time matters more than timing. Discipline beats intelligence, and simplicity outperforms complexity. Your advantage isn't information, it's patience. This step should run quietly in the background for years. And once this habit is locked in, you're ready for the optional layers. Only after the foundation is solid do you earn the right to take more risk. This is where individual stocks, thematic bets, real estate, private opportunities, and even speculative assets can optionally enter the picture. But here's the rule most people break. This is not your core. This is not your retirement. This is your upside bucket. Money you can afford to be volatile, to be wrong, and to be patient with. Think of it like seasoning. A little adds flavor, Too much ruins the meal. If this bucket goes to zero, your future is still safe. That's the test. As your net worth grows, the game changes. Early on, growth matters most. Later, preservation matters more. This is where you start thinking about insurance coverage, diversification across assets, reducing single points of failure, and protecting against rare but catastrophic risks. Not because you're scared, but because you're responsible. Wealth isn't just built, it's defended. Let's lock it in. The correct order to invest your money. First, emergency fund. Survival first. Second, kill high-interest debt. Guaranteed returns. Third, capture free money. Employer match. Fourth, broad, consistent investing. Your long-term engine. Fifth, upside investments. Optional. Controlled risk. Sixth, protection and preservation. Keep what you built. Skip steps and everything feels unstable. Follow the order and progress feels calm. That's how you know you're doing it right. Most people don't fail because they're bad investors. They fail because they rush the sequence. If this framework helped you see investing more clearly, hit like. It tells the algorithm this was worth watching. Subscribe if you want more simple frameworks that actually work in the real world. And remember this, wealth isn't built by doing more. It's built by doing things in the right order. See you in the next one.